Teresa Perkins, TMJ, help. Ah, yeah. Okay, so Teresa, yes, there is all right, so they're saying that your large intestine meridian, and the large intestine meridian comes from here, okay, goes up and choo choo, okay, so it comes right across the jaw. And they said that if you were to start to help to balance this out, because there is a big issue there, is that start to rub here, okay? I think you're going to have a couple more points, but rub both sides. Remember, it's where the two bones come together. The other point will be to help release this would be down here, spleen 21. Okay, it's not back, it's right there. Spleen 21, get that going. And then your stomach meridian spots, but one of them is, do you want her to do the one between the toes? On top of the foot? No. Okay, so this is very important to get. It is between, it's right there. So it's between the second and the third toe, right in that crack. Okay, it's right in the crack. Do both sides. Start to rub that and see what happens. It sounds like the muscle keeps pushing it and the nerves keeps pushing it, so it's out. We may have, you know, that's where I'd probably do some hands-on healing and some other little things to help pull that in. You can, do you want her to manipulate a certain point? It's on loss, failure. So I would, if you had hope therapy, I'd say R2D. But I can't remember if you did or didn't. Haynes, Delinda. Who can't hear you, honey? Is it just me? If that's it, switch and give me something different. Left brain. It's not seeing the clues. Something you're not seeing. Tell me more about this. They said it has to do with your creating this indecision. Oh, you're not seeing a pattern and a habit. Oh, you're not seeing the pattern and the habit. Gotcha. And they said that the reason you don't see it is because you're afraid to make the decision, because you, as a little child, at 2, got scorned for making the wrong decision. Okay, because you made the wrong decision before, it scared you. It scared the bejesus out of you. Okay, it's what you call putting the fear in you. But anyways, it scared you. And your happy part of you started to feel left behind. Well, that's an interesting. Well, it makes sense, though.